CDMO projects look familiar on the surface, but they operate under completely different delivery pressures. Contracts, governance, the product cost, and the client expectations change the dynamics of CDMO project. Welcome to the course for project management for CDMO projects for pharma and chemical industries. I am Ravindra Gajendra Gadkar, corporate speaker and founder of PMSoft. I have spent nearly 25 plus years across IT, AI, and regulated pharmaceutical environments. My work has consistently involved complex high risk initiatives where delays are costly, compliance is mandatory, and delivery credibility defines the long term success. In addition, I am also one of the reviewers of PMBOK Guide 4th and 5th edition and Program Management Body of Knowledge 4th edition published by Project Management Institute USA. In the CDMO world, projects rarely fail due to technical capability. They struggle because delivery decisions, governance structures, and expectations need to be aligned across the sponsor and CDMO organization. This course is entirely built on CDMO delivery experience with a beautiful blend of academics and practical knowledge. This reflects how CDMO projects actually behave in real world. In this course, we will walk through full CDMO project life cycles, starting with feasibility, proposals, and moving through tech transfer to scale up, and ending with commercial manufacturing and long-term delivery governance. The goal is to achieve predictable outcomes, fewer surprises, stronger coordination, and higher customer confidence. This is about delivering CDMO projects with control, clarity, and credibility. If you are a CDMO team member, a project manager, or a delivery leader or consultant, this course is for you. This will change how you approach the CDMO projects in execution. The course is live on Udemy and click on the link below. Enroll Now, Managing Projects for CDMO Business for Pharma and Chemical Industries.